Hello guys, in this video I'm going to give you a brief overview of Ubuntu operating system. So this video is targeted to the audience which has recently installed Ubuntu and want to know how things works in Ubuntu. So let's get started. So this is the uh, window you see when you log in to Ubuntu, and first thing you will see here, this is called the bar, and here you can find some of the pre-installed software like this Firefox web browser or this LibreOffice and Ubuntu Software Center. And this Ubuntu Software Center will be your one destination to install softwares in Ubuntu. So let's start with this Ubuntu Software Center. Just click this Ubuntu Software Center here and it will open this window and it will give you the list of software you can download from Ubuntu. Because when you install Ubuntu, it doesn't come with all the software installed. You need to install each and every new software which is third-party software by yourself. So for example, when you want to play some video, you need to install VLC player. So just go to this search here and just write VLC and you will see here, you can see here a VLC player. Right now I have installed this VLC player, that's why I don't see any install button, but if you are new and you have freshly installed Ubuntu, you will be able to see here install button. So you just type in the software you need and then you just need to install it. For example, I want to install this Genie IDE. I just select this and you can see here there is an install button here, and when you press this install, it will be installed in your system. So for example, I install this Genie in my system, it will ask for my password and now it will start installing, right? So once it's installed, it will go, or you will be able to find this software in your dash home here. So let it install and we will see how we can find this Genie IDE in this Ubuntu here. So once this is installed, you will be able to see this remove button here, and you need to go to this top icon called dash home. Just click this and you can see here whatever software you already have installed, and you can search for the software you already installed in your system. So we have just installed Genie, and whenever I type in here something and it matches whatever is installed in your system, it will show the result here, and you can see here Genie is here, Genie IDE is here. And when you want to frequently use these software, you can just drag and drop this into this bar here. Okay, so in this way, this software center, you can find many good softwares, and most of them are free, of course, because Ubuntu is also free. So most of the software on Ubuntu you can install it for free, but some of them are cost a little. So just see whether they have any cost like these or they are free like these. You can see here free, all the softwares are free which are here. Okay, now when you start using Ubuntu, you need to deal with the terminal. So this is a terminal. So for this first time when you logged into the Ubuntu, how you can find the terminal? Just go here and just type terminal and you will be able to find it, and just drag and drop into your taskbar here, and this terminal will help you in many things. This terminal will help you to install all the software, to navigate through all the directory. So basically, whatever you can do here in Ubuntu Software Center for installing the software, you can install it with this terminal. Okay, so just learn how you can use this terminal to install the things and navigate through the libraries. Now, as you can already see, you can make it out that this button you can shut down, suspend, log out, or log your screen, right? So this is simple stuff. There's a printer here, and you can mute, unmute, or control volume from here. This is a Wi-Fi, battery, mail, and other things. Now, if you want to see the properties, like you can see in control panel of Windows, you can just go to this button once again and go to system settings. And when you open the system setting, you can set appearance like this, or you can set the keyboard brightness, language support, and other things. It will show you the network settings. It will show you the details of the software you have. So when you click this detail, you can see right now I have Ubuntu 12.04 LTS 64-bit. See, so if you want to see some details of your OS or of your computer, you just go to detail, time and date setting, user account. So it has many things you can see here. So just play with these settings, colors, displays, and mouse, Bluetooth, and this will be also very helpful whenever you first open your Ubuntu. Now, instead of Microsoft Office, which we use in Windows, Ubuntu has this LibreOffice. So this LibreOffice Writer is the alternative of Microsoft Word. You can open it, and there is something called LibreOffice Calc, which is the alternative of your Excel software, and there is something called LibreOffice Impress, which is the alternative for the PowerPoint in on Windows, right? And you can install many other things from the software center. For example, I have installed this Chromium web browser from here, from my software center, Ubuntu Software Center. So just type in whatever you want. You can see here Chromium web browser. Just click the install button here and it will be installed. It's from Google Chrome. So if you are used to Google Chrome, you can install it from here. Just search for the software whatever you want in here. Now you want to navigate through folder. I already told you you can navigate through folder using this terminal, but by this mouse, how can you navigate through the folders you have? You just need to click this folder, home folder, and you have this desktop, document. These are the by default folder which you will get. And there is a root folder like we have in Windows C directory. Ubuntu doesn't have this C directory. It has a root folder. So to go to root folder, what you need to do is, once again I will go here. What you need to do is go to home and click this small button on left hand side of home. And when you click this once again, you can see many folders here, and this is the basics where all of your software and all of your Ubuntu operating system is stored here, and users and many things which is related to installation of software are here. So whenever you install some software, probably it will go to the user local bin. Its binary will go here. Okay, and so this is the file system. You have this picture folder, video folder here, and other folders here, and there is a recycle bin here also. Just go here and navigate through it. You can see this recycle bin. So whatever folder or for whatever file you delete, you can just go to this recycle bin and find it there. So this is the little overview of Ubuntu operating system for beginners. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.